Oh, hey, let's go on our first date. I just swiped right, and let's see if you make a great first impression. Nearly all of home buyers, like dating, start their search online. Have you heard the joke that Zillow is the new Playboy? SNL even has a parody on it. Even in a hot market, staging is the first step. Quality photos are the second. A photo-ready property can directly influence a buyer's decision to see that home in person, and they already started thinking about the offer they're going to make before they even get there to see the home. With so much competition, your listing can easily get lost in the sea of listings across the web. It's important to do everything you can to stand out. Brand recognition is also huge for yourself as an agent and for future referrals. Professionally staged homes are eye-catching, and those photos last a lifetime. Professionally photographed homes have that shopper considering buying that property before they even see it in person.